Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel, and one of the features that will be greatly improved in Microsoft Edge that was shown today on the Build conference is the capability of translation of PDFs. There is already, in case you didn't know, a way to translate any PDF into your favorite language in Microsoft Edge. So when you open a PDF, like I have one here that I opened in French, if I'd like to see one of the paragraphs in English, for example, well, all you got to do is simply go to the paragraph you want to see, and say I want to see this paragraph here. You just highlight it, and then you right-click on it. In the selection, you'll have Translate Selection. Now, what Microsoft has shown today is a major improvement in translation and also the number of languages that it can translate to. So, for now, most people still have the basic translate functionality. It works, but what's coming is going to be a lot better, and it uses some part of AI to help itself translate correctly and into many more languages than it is doing today. So when you do translate selection, it opens a page on the right side here. You'll have the text, and if you look, you have the same text translated in English now. So it's pretty much, I translated a few things from French to English. Seems quite good. It's not perfect, but that's what it's going to fix. That new translation coming to Edge, more powerful translation, is way, way better. And it is actually rolling out to the Canary version of Edge for those that are insiders in the Edge browser, and will be, of course, rolling out to everybody at some point. But in case you didn't know, you can translate a PDF into your favorite language using Microsoft Edge simply by selecting the text you want to translate and right-clicking and going to, right-clicking on the text, Translate Selection. And if you go, that text will be, of course, translated immediately. So this is pretty cool when you think about it. And it's nice to have that capability actually on the Microsoft Edge browser, which, by the way, is also my favorite PDF reader. I don't install anything else now. PDFs are actually great in the Edge browser on its own. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.